CMAC is a medicines manufacturing research centre based at the University of Strathclyde. We work with a wide range of industry partners and academics to develop solutions that can advance the way that we develop and manufacture medicines.
We have a large portfolio of innovation to support digital transformation of CMC, and basically we bridge academia with industry.
AstraZeneca is a Tier 1 partner with CMAC. We find it a very useful organisation to collaborate with because it's so industrial translation focused.
So really collaboration's at the heart of CMAC and its success, bringing together a wide group of multidisciplinary academics, a wide range of industry from large pharma to supply chain members and technology providers, really to come together, identify the challenges and co-create solutions that can really change how we get medicines to patients faster and more sustainably.
The benefits are that we get to progress our research topics that we probably don't have the time and resource internally to do. Because they're delivered in a translatable fashion, then we can bring them back in. It's a very positive academic collaboration. It's one that we feel that we get great return on investment for.
Looking ahead, our goal is to see these technologies come through and start to make an impact in our industry partners. We have a unique national facility team who are able to deliver applied research and demonstrate some of our capabilities to partners, and looking how we can actually work together with industry to deploy these technologies.
Industry is very busy and they need a safe space in which they can collaborate with leading scientists. And this is exactly what CMAC is providing.